could be spread by meteorites from one part of the universe to another.
Whoa, check out that view.
This is the site of the impact crater, several 100,000 years ago.
I feel like she's here.
And you're here for them both.
You must not go into those caves. Never come out alive.
Okay, this is it. Ready?
Yeah.
Ladies first. Just kidding.
Wheeler's footage made it out. That Super 8 film he took in '76.
I processed it with my own hands. That's why I know it's real. This is what he saw. There!
Holy shit, what was that?
Where did it come from?
You really think it's a creature?
What is that?
There are hundreds of caverns under there, maybe thousands.
We're lost, Ethan.
Let's try this way. Those bones look human.
Yeah.
Fresh.
Ethan? Nick, if that's you guys, this isn't...
Oh my God.
Welcome to TikTok, you fat fuck!